The members of the Peach County Sexual Assault Task Force met with me to present the evidence they have collected related to the series of sexual assaults and burglaries committed in the Fort Valley area since January of this year. Based upon the evidence they have presented to me, I have advised them to take the following warrants against Daryl Andre Ross: aggravated sexual battery and home invasion for the January 31st, 2015 incident at St. Luke's Lane; rape, home invasion, armed robbery, and aggravated assault for the April 2nd event at Millette Street; rape, home invasion, and false imprisonment for the April 5 event at Vandaway Street; attempted rape, home invasion, and aggravated assault for the April 8th event at Rayfield Wright Street; home invasion, kidnapping, aggravated assault, and attempted rape for the April 26th event at Julia Simmons Avenue; and finally, rape, home invasion, and false imprisonment for the April 28th event at Spencer Street. The GBI is drafting those warrants now and expects to execute those warrants tomorrow. I remind the public that at this point, the charges proposed against Mr. Ross are a mere allegation, and the presumption of innocence remains in his favor unless and until he is proven guilty in a court of law. Because this is a pending case, I will not be making any comments about the evidence. With that in mind, are there any questions?
Is the couple going to claim the $10,000? Are they eligible for it? And who do you decide who gets it if they get into a fuss about it?
Right, I'm not going to get in the middle of whatever discussions they have about the reward, but it's my understanding that the information that they gave was instrumental, and it's my expectation that they will receive a reward at some point, should they comply with all the terms.
Did he hire a lawyer yet?
It's my understanding that a lawyer's been appointed. I don't know anything else beyond that.
Do you know whether it's a public defender or a hired attorney outside?
I believe it's an appointed attorney.
And he's being held without bond right now on the probation violation?
Currently, no bond has been set. I believe that's correct.
Do you know what he was on probation for?
I believe that was for burglary.
Was it also in the Fort Valley area?
As I recall, I've been mainly concerned with what they tasked me with, which is deciding whether or not there was sufficient evidence for the issuing of these warrants.
Is it confirmed